morning, traders. It's Wednesday, 1st of September 2021. So what's hot and what's hot today? What is the market buying? What is the market selling? Well, looking at these currency pairs, I've already done a bit of homework just to save a bit of time. But when you look at the Aussie pairs, okay, we can see that the Australian dollar is a very strong market this morning. Okay, where the Australian dollar is what's called the base currency, which is the first currency of the currency pair. Okay, which is this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, these first five. We can see that these markets are up on the day. Yeah, this is up 27 pips, this is up 20, this is up 43, this is up 54, this is up 27. Okay, so Australian dollar is up against all these other markets. And where the Australian dollar is the term, okay, the second part of the currency pair, we can see that this market is down. Okay, 54 points down, or pips, 76 pips down. Okay, so Australian dollar is a very strong market at the moment. So we've got a strong market. We want to trade it against a weaker market. Okay, so you'd look at the currency pairs. It's easier when you've grouped them together like what I have. But to cut a long story short, all of these yen pairs are up on the day. And what does that mean? It means that the Japanese yen is actually weak right at this moment in time. So we have strongest market is Australian dollar, weakest market is Japanese yen. So that one, Aussie yen, should be having a nice little move to the upside. And yes, it is. So now we've identified what's strong and what's weak. Okay, would we be looking to trade it? Would we be looking to go long on this right now? Absolutely not. No, because if you've got some experience in the market, you know there are impulses and corrections, and this is an impulse. We want to wait for a correction and then for a resumption of the up move if we get that. Okay, it's not guaranteed. So structurally speaking, 80.6 would be a nice area for this price to come down and reject and see a resumption of the up move. If you're an EMA trader, you might want to look for a bounce off the 20 moving average here in blue, or maybe the 50 moving average here in red. Just depends on how you trade, but I would like to see personally a little rejection off that 80.6, but we have to see what the market gives us. Also be looking at Kiwi yen today and CAD yen. Basically the market is in what's called a risk on sentiment. So risk on means that the risk currencies Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar are all strong today. And also, to cut a long story short, Swiss franc is weak today, and the Japanese yen, as already mentioned. So we've got some key pairs to look at: Aussie, Kiwi, CAD strength, Japanese yen, Swiss franc weakness. So you can pair those together and look for some trading opportunities. All right, guys, so have a great trading day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.